Hello and welcome to the Daily Forex Report for June 5th. We are looking at the US-Japanese yen pair. It moved to the downside. It's definitely moving lower. We are looking for it to potentially, however, go up to 81.40 on a reversal, possibly moving down to 79.37. Look for some resistance around 80.50 and look for some support around 80.00. Now looking at the Euro-USD pair, this pair gapped at the open, has retraced that gap. We are looking for it to continue to the upside, possibly going as high as 148.03, possibly moving down to 143.80. Look for some resistance around 146.75 and look for some support around 145.15. Now the pound US dollar pair, this pair closed up, did gap, closed up on Friday, gap down, has filled that gap already. Look for it to potentially go as high as 165.77, possibly as low as 162.19. Look for some resistance around 165.15 and look for some support around 162.75. Now the US Swiss, this pair continues to move to the downside, moving strong to the downside. Look for it to continue in that direction. Possibly, however, on a reversal, hitting some resistance around 0.8400. Look for it to hit some support around 0.8300. Alright, well, as far as news analysis go, we only have one. That's the Euro. The Euro releasing the Eurozone Producers Price Index for April. Consensus on that is that it has moved down from 6.70% to 6.60%. That's being released at 5 a.m. Eastern Time tomorrow. Now, what am I looking for during this next session? Well, if you go to the New Zealand US dollar pair, I've drawn a Fibonacci retracement. You can see that it moved down and closed below on Thursday, closed below the 23.6 point. It did create a doji bar on Friday. Could be signaling basically a reversal. I'm looking for this pair to break the high of Friday right here and look for it to move higher. Now, as far as my stop loss, I'm going to place my stop loss 1 pip below the 23.6 level and use the 0.0 level for my take profit. What that looks like from a pip standpoint, we're looking to use about a 52 pip stop loss and looking to grab right at 69 pips. So a little over 1-to-1 on our risk to reward, a little bit better than that. Looking for it to surge to the upside. Typically pullbacks like this, 1, 2, 3 pattern type setups have a very high probability of moving to the upside. So we'll just have to wait and see if it does occur. Well, that about wraps us up for today. Until next time, this is Jason Fielder. Good trading.